Now the Kanu has health challenge. Onwe health challenge. And everybody are keeping quiet. And onwele one thing ncholo kandi Igbo mala. Number one thing ncholo kandi Igbo mala. Anyị na-ekwu si su lilizie Maazị Nnamdi Kanu because of the insecurity na-eme na Igbo. Na anyị chọrọ ka peace dị na Igbo. But I want to let you know that the Nigerian government, they are very happy for all this insecurity going on in Nigeria and going on in Igbo land. I want to let you know that Nigerians, they are very, very happy for what is happening in Igbo land. How to happy on Igbo say they are very happy. We Igbo are saying, let them release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu so that there will be peace in Igbo land. But I want you to know that Nigerians, they are very happy for this insecurity that is going on in Nigeria. And it's paining me a lot that Igbos, this generation, they don't know what they need. They are a confused tribe in Nigeria. We say that we need our freedom. Look at this country, Ukraine, yeah. Even all their celebrities, everybody join hands together to defend their country. Show me any celebrity in Igbo land, both their musician. Show me any Igbo celebrity. Freedom of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Show me any Igbo man or mama release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Show me. I want you to show me any Igbo celebrity or mama on respect in Nigeria, on respect in Africa. Show me any Igbo celebrities that is talking about the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Or show me any great man of God in Igbo land that is talking about the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody. Even Evangelist Ebube Joseph, who is talking about the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Look at the way Igbos are persecuting this young man. It's the time that Igbos will wake up, know that this country, Nigeria, they are not for us. They don't need us. They don't need our freedom. They don't need us at all. It's the time that all the Igbos will rise up. But the problem is that Igbo, when they fears, they cannot do it. Look at the way hostage in Igbo all over the world. Look at God have gave order to release this man, but they said no, they will not release it. Show me. Hey, can you people? I don't know what happened to this phone. Yes, can you people see me now? It's like I have some issue, a network problem. Please, if you are listening what I'm saying now, can you type hi so that I can know? Please, just type hi, type hi. Let me know whether you people will hear what I'm saying. Because I am a network issue, but I am a network problem. If you people that listen to me, make una tap hi, please. I don't know what happened to this my phone now. Tap hi on comment section, so let me know whether you people are hearing what I'm saying. Okay. Show me any Igbo celebrity, both in Nollywood, musicians. They have no time to talk about Biafra. They don't have time to talk about the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Igbos are not united. This time is the time all the Igbos supposed to have one love and unity. But look at what is going on in Igbo land. In Biafra agitation, what's Biafra agitation now? Even in among the Igbos, religion. This is not the right time to talk about this religion. This is the time that Igbos will rise up, one love, one unit, to get what we want. To get what we want. Nigeria's government, they don't need Igbos. They don't want Igbos to rise after Biafran war. You know what they did, our ancestors, during the Biafran war? They seized all their monies, both millionaires, both billionaires, all of them, their money was seized by the Nigerian government. And after they seize the money, they give them each person 20 pounds, each person 20 pounds. They don't want Igbos to rise. They are enemies of Igbos. May God have mercy upon Igbos, and may God have mercy upon this our generation. May God have mercy upon this our generation. It is a time that all the Igbos will rise up, one love. These people are flying, they don't need us. Look at the other time, Ohanes and Igbo, our elders came to Abuja. They couldn't allow them to enter into court. And on our side, because Igbos are Igbos a lego their value. Igbo are Nigeria. Igbo have said their birthright. That is why, do you know? My gosh. I don't know. Tell me any country Igaba into, and you will not see any Igbo man. Tell me any country that you enter in this world that you will not see Igbo man. Tell me. Igbos are blessed from God. Igbos are blessed from God. But Igbos, some of them have sold their birthright. Our leaders, Igbo governors, they have sold their birthright. That is why Nigerians, they have sold their birthright. And that is what we want to receive back from them. Look at the way look at the way Haji Nandikale. We need to stand up for this our brother Mazen Nandikano. We need to stand up, and all our celebrities, Igbo celebrities, all of them, we need to stand up for Mazen Nandikano, because this man is suffering on a health challenge. Nandikano has health challenge. Health challenge. And everybody are keeping quiet. Next 2 weeks, December, we are enjoying our December. But one man that stood up to deliver his people from the bondage are into prison. And we are rejoicing. Do you know that Obuna Nandikano, if Nandikano is from America, he want to save, like, let me put for an example, that Nandikano is from Canada, and the Canadas, they are fighting for their freedom, and Mazen Nandikano stood up from Canada to save his people, his citizens from Canada. Do you know that every Canadian citizen will stand with him? All of them will stand with him. Both celebrities, both musicians, both all them people with the art film, all of them, both pastors, both Mando Dinana, all of them will stand up for him. They will stand up for him. Say that he must release him. But Nigeria, but Igbo, who have time? Our big man who will go talk about him, they will not have time to even talk it. Even to light about Mazen Nandikano on their Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You will not see it from them. You will not see it from them. They are only for their pocket. They are only for their pocket. They have the money for their pocket. They need their money. They need money. They need money. How draw time for their people? That is the problem. And it's spending me a lot. He's spending me a lot. Our brother Natafo, the Nigeria government, the Gosimu Igbo musicians, oh mama. Show me any Igbo musician, oh mama, in the world, in Africa, in Nigeria, that is speaking about Mazen Nandikano. But Mazen Nandikano is fighting for that musician. Show me. May God have mercy upon this our generation. May God have mercy upon this our generation. He's spending me a lot that the Nigerian government is spending me a lot that in some of Igbos have sold their birthright to Nigerian government. He's spending me a lot that some Ohanes and Igbo have sold their birthright. There wasn't any respect, because if they talk, the Nigerian government will talk, say, just give them one of them 10 million naira, they will shut up, they will keep their mouth shut. That is the origin. And even if they give them the money, they will keep quiet, they will not talk anything. That is it. May God have mercy upon these Igbos. In fact, we are passing a lot of things in this Nigeria. I now pass many things in this Nigeria. And this, I don't, in fact, I don't really know what is happening to Igbos. I'm the way I can see I don't really know. I don't really know the way I get see Wekwoku, Kandi Igbo. In fact, I don't really know the way I get see Woku. Oh my God. The other 2 days ago, I went to Oba. Yesterday. I stood up at Oba Junction, shouting, crying for our people. Obulu Oba. Do you know that Igbos now, they are in pain. Igbos, they are in pain. The Northerners, Jibo Negwegu, Ojaina about football, they use us as a toy. They use us as a toy. If you talk, they will pursue you. Do you know that even the Lagos